Okay guys, we are back at this carpet thing, and nice excuses, but oh, Dewhurst button! Wonder what this could mean. Well, all the guys seem to be original, everyone's burned out, so not really sure. Yeah, I can go to floor 8 in this. So, well, we're probably going to be busy because obviously it's 8 o'clock in the morning, so too many people will be using it, so I'll do what we did last time we get off at floor 1. See what happens. So yeah, it's gonna take a while to get here. Here was a lift and no! They modernized it! How disappointing. It's now modernized by Schindler. Oh my god. This is... oh dude, it doesn't have that yeah, VF's being modernized. It's got the cable car indicator, so that's good. Here we are, 1. Oh, at least it's got nice Schindler doors. You know what's weird? These floor indicators are still original, so yeah, that's cool. So let's go up again. Yes, this time's got a floor 8, and then all the way back down. No. It's a little bit. So yeah, being modernized again by this nasty Engineering Clips company. Well, at least that's nice. Yeah, floor indicator used to be over there, now it's gone. So yeah. Let's go to M. Let's get a nice fast travel downhill. 9 indicators of 13 persons. The only good thing original about it is the outside floor indicators. That's the only thing original about it. Everything has been ruined again. I have to go up to the floor indicator for this. It's still got this old leader floor numbering. Here we are again. I mean, at least the doors are fast, so it's got to be one good thing about these, but they're still not interesting enough. And that was the end of this shit mod.